My name's Robert Limaka. I'm the program coordinator for the Surveying and Geomatics Engineering Technology program here at Idaho State University. There's various types of surveying. There's boundary surveys, there's engineering survey, there's topographic, construction, mining. This program covers all facets of this field. We are one of the fastest growing and largest programs in the country. This is because our faculty have taken training to develop quality courses. All of our faculty are professionally licensed surveyors or engineers with experience, so they have the credentials to provide a quality education, whether they're online or on campus. And upon graduation, all students, if they pursue professional licensure, will need to take the national exams. Our success rates are nearly 100%. So these students are prepared well and they can go anywhere they want in the country. We've got employers from government, private sector constantly contacting us every week, posting job announcements. So we distribute that out to all of our students and let them know that they're wanted and they're needed.